operators in MySQL. So we will use here arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators. Now when we will do the select query, that time we will see all the operators. Now just I will show you how it works. Like here also I have to use select query. So select 2 plus 3. Directly also you can write it. So here you can see the plus is used for addition. Same way the other operator like minus I will use for subtraction. So you can see 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Then I will use the star for, in computer normally these all symbols are used. For product we will use star, and then I will use slash. So when you will be asked with this question, write the output, what you have to do is you have to solve. Suppose this MySQL select 2 plus 3 is written. Now how you will write the output? You see here, after select 2 plus 3, make a table and then you will write the output here 5. So output will be written in this format. Here you can see 2 minus 3 you will write. Draw a table here and then you will write minus 1. 2 into 3, 6, 2 slash 3. So these are your operators. Now the relational operator, you all know we will use output should be true or false, and then we will use the logical operator. So let us solve the relational operators also. So here the relational operator, select 2 greater than 3. So it is showing 2 is not greater than 3. So false it is showing in the format of 0, and true it will show less than. True it will show in the format of 1. So here you can see that logical operations, when it is showing 0, this means it is false, and when it is showing 1, this is true. Now AND and OR operator. So what we do in AND and OR operator is we will write here and the second condition I am writing is 2 double equals to 2. So the first one is also true and the second one is also true. So it will show what happened in this. 2 is equal to checking. For checking we cannot use. Okay, we can use only 1 equals to operator for checking equals to, and for not equals to, either not equals to or this we will use. So in MySQL, only 1 equals to will check here. So I will use here MySQL. Sorry, this I have used of Python. Yes, now you can see here it is true. And for not equals to, we will use here the not operator, that is this and this. Yes, this is your not operator. So if 1 is false, since I am using AND, if any one is false, output will be false. So that will be 0. ठीक है? क्वेश्चन पेपर में अगर ये क्वेश्चन दिया रहेगा सिलेक्ट 2 लेस देन 3 एंड 2 नॉट इक्वल्स टू 2, आंसर में क्या लिखना है? 0 लिखना है. और अगर ट्रू रहेगा 2 इक्वल्स टू 2, जैसे यहाँ पे ट्रू में हमने यहाँ पे अगर नॉट इक्वल्स टू में हमने कोई दूसरा नंबर डाल दिया है तो ये ट्रू हो गया. तो ट्रू में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 1 लिखेंगे. तो यहाँ पे 1 आ गया समझ में ऑपरेशंस, ये सारे ऑपरेशंस. सो दीज आर योर operators in SQL. Now where clause, when I will show you where clause, there also I will use all this. I will show you now only where clause also. Suppose I want to go into a school, show database, a table I will open, databases. Now these are your database. School I will open, and in that school what is there I will see first. So I will change the database school, and then I will see here show tables, all the tables. So student table is there. So I will see if any data is there. So select star from the table name is student, semicolon. Now here 2 records are there. Now I want to see my operations, that is operators I will use. So first, arithmetic operator. If you want to use, how to use the arithmetic operator, you can add in marks with plus sign, you can add and you can display it. Suppose I want to give a grace marks of 1. So what I will do is select, I will use marks here and I will add 1 to it or 2 to it, and then from which table that I have to mention, from student table. So I can use here all the mathematical arithmetic operators. You can see it is adding. Same way multiplication, subtraction. Now I will, if I want to check how many of these students have got more than 90%. So what I will do is I will simply see here marks and then I will use the operator, relational operator, marks greater than 90. You can see both have got greater than 90. So both outputs are true here. So greater than. Now and I want to use, I can use in where clause also. Suppose I want to display all the records of the students. So select star from the table name is student, and in where clause I will use the operator, that is which operation, and operator, or operator, logical operators I am going to use now. So I will use 2 conditions here with and clause. First condition is whose marks is greater than 95, and second condition I am using here and operator, whose names start with, I will see the spelling name. So here whose names start with, so for that like we are using, starts with R. Now you can see when both the condition will satisfy, then only it will show that record. So here and operator I am using. If I use here or operator, what will happen? When any one is true, it will show the output. So the same question, if I use here or operator, what it will do? It will show both the records. See, I am using or operator. So or matlab when anyone is true, it will show. So 95 से greater है और उसका नाम अगर R से नहीं start हो रहा है तो भी वो दिखा देगा. ठीक है? So this is your or operator. So like this we are going to use these operators in our, these operators, arithmetic operators, relation operators, logical operators while writing the query. Clear? So question paper pattern, you already know, 1 mark questions, theoretical questions will be asked, 1 mark question, 2 mark question, like this. MCQ, case based question, I will share with you the case based question. Then so this is your question paper pattern. Then table related queries are also there, single table, double table query will be there. So these all I will share with you afterwards. Yes, any doubt till here?